picture of Miss Hadley Bray, who's celebrating the big #1. Hadley, I hope you can look back on this picture as you get older and just enjoy it so much, kiddo, because that is a perfect first birthday picture. Hadley's in the knack.
Remember that time that Mom and Dad put me in a basket?
Oh, it's cute. Come on, she's got the #1 balloon.
It's so cute. It's so adorable.
And you know it took Mom and Dad like half an hour so Hadley actually was holding the balloon in the right pose and had a smile on her face.
Mm-hmm. Yep, it turned out perfect.
Who was behind the this is Hadley, we're gonna have fun with you, kiddo. Who was behind the person taking the photo with the rubber duck that goes squeak, squeak, going, Hadley, over here. Hadley, over, smile, Hadley, smile. The photog's going.
For sure. Well, they did good. They did great. Well, Kason Pitts is turning 6 years old. His birthday was actually last weekend, but the party is continuing for this birthday dude.
He got a balloon too, man. That's too cool.
All right, Kason.
Rock that, Kason. I like that t-shirt too, man. Conlon Epler, celebrating his 8th birthday. Conlon, I want you to have a great day, kid. I was almost going to say have a great day at school. But no, Conlon, you go enjoy that summer vacation, my man.
All right. In Girard, Zoe Powell, turning 8 years old this year. Looks like we got a catcher there.
Love it, kiddo. Love it. Gear up. Gear up, Zoe. This is cool right there. Caitlin Degonia, she is celebrating her 11th birthday. Now, that little one in her arms happens to be her puppy who goes by the name of Rose.
That's a little guy.
Yeah, and I got a feeling Rose is kind of spoiled by Miss Caitlin right there. Happy birthday to you, Caitlin, in Crestline.
Down in Goodman, Missouri, Cecilia Kennedy is turning 11 years old this year. Hope you have a great birthday.
Oh, the Lockmiller twins. We're going to start with Ava, 13 years old now. Happy birthday to you, Miss Ava, and that means Cannon, also celebrating number 13. Now, Ava and Cannon, #1, happy birthday. They're in the Berg. #2, want you to know this comes with special love from Mom, Grandma, and Grandpa.
All right. In Jasper, Missouri, turning 14 this year, it's time to celebrate for Hunter Earl.
Ross Pitts is celebrating his 31st birthday. That is the man on the left who works at the depot.
Well, that would be his son on the right, of course.
So, yeah, well, hold on. But I was going to say, if you have Memorial Day projects, Memorial Day weekend projects, and you're like, do I need a torque wrench? Maybe I do. I'm going to go ask Ross.
Okay, so now I understand why we ran Kason's birthday a week late, because earlier, Kason Pitts, that is Ross's son. Mm-hmm. The Pitts family has been doing some celebrating this month. That's for sure.
Let's run
Great
out to
family.
Altamar, because we got a celebration for Julie Ryan. Wait for it. There it is. Ta-da!
She's already put a bow on it.
Happy birthday, Julie. Want you to have a marvelous birthday. Julie, once again, is in Altamont.
All right, in Moran, Kansas, Alice Adams celebrating birthday number 65 this year. Looking great there, Alice.
In Columbus, a happy birthday to Mr. Richard Freeman. Oh, look at it. Oh, taking the kids for a ride. How cool is that?
It's like the grandpa's favorite thing to do.
Happy birthday,
Oh, my
Mr.
goodness.
Freeman.
All right. Happy birthday, Richard. And happy birthday to Curtis Nida down in Miami,
Hey,
Oklahoma.
what's up, Curtis?
All right.
Well, sometimes these pictures pop up and I forget how long it's been since I've seen these people. It's crazy. Happy birthday, Curtis. Sherry Boltinghouse has a birthday, and she is celebrating in Girard. Now, if it's Sherry's birthday, then it's also Shelly's birthday, Shelly Coon's birthday, and that's because Sherry and Shelly happen to be twins. Sherry's in Girard, Shelly is in Chanute. Happy birthday to both of you. And it looks like you guys had a marvelous family get together.
Awesome, awesome. And if Sherry and Shelly are celebrating, then Sherry and Shelly's sister-in-law, Kim, is also celebrating. Kim Insminger in Moran, happy birthday to you.
Kylie Ludwig is in Edna, Kansas. Very happy birthday to Miss Kylie. And I want you to know this happy birthday comes from your mother-in-law.
All right. And
maybe mom-in-law's making a cake. Who that is?
You want this one?
No, she knows I'm going to yell who that is when she pops up.
Yeah. Miss Jill Sayapile.
What up, Doc?
Yeah, what a great picture there. Celebrating another year wiser in Frontenac.
Happy birthday, Jill. Tom and Deanna Lockmiller celebrating their 50th anniversary. Congratulations, Tom and Deanna, on that milestone. They are in Pittsburgh.
All right. And Dale and Carolyn Flanagan are celebrating 56 years together. What an awesome picture there. They're in Jasper.
Awesome picture, and I love that name, Carolyn. That is unique,
really,
and I just think that's a beautiful name right there. Congratulations to the Flanagans. Giovanni Barcelona celebrating number 3. Happy birthday, Gio. And Jeff Brittle, a happy 53rd birthday to Jeff in Miami. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.